Welcome to Pattonair's style of DIY SOS. Derwent Stepping Stones is a local nursery in the area of Chaddeston in Derby, and Pattonair are so excited to be supporting over a 5-day DIY SOS style challenge. For the last 6 weeks we've spent time with Janet, the Chief Executive. We've been going around what we can, what we can't do, and over the next 5 days we're going to have 100 volunteers from Pattonair who are based in Derby, helping, like I say, revamp a number of the classrooms, but also a number of the outside areas to help support the local children through their learning and through some sensory areas, which is going to give them great benefit. We've had brilliant support from some of the local companies, so Derbyshire Decorators, but also we've had a company called Daveling Construction. They've supported all the raw materials which are going to go into the project, but also with Derbyshire Decorators they've donated all the paint and all the brushes, which is absolutely brilliant. Derwent Nurseries, they've been running for a number of years, but unfortunately they've not had really the funding that they need. So Pattonair have come together with the local charity, the local centre, and we're going to donate some money towards this project, but also a number of the people's time, which is absolutely brilliant. Day one is here, so all this time planning and prepping, it's really exciting now that we're kicking off. We've seen some really great benefit already. The classrooms are coming together, and we really can't wait till day 5, till the launch party, where we see exactly what's happened and exactly what the team have brought together. So watch this space.